Hi guys, today I'll show you a simple first aid procedure. A chest bandage for shallow chest wounds and a cravat, triangular bandage for the head and ear. First is you put the apex on top of the wounded part at the shoulder and tie a knot on the back. Bandage over the wounded part. After that, you tie a knot at the back, and the long hand on the apex is you tie a knot, a square knot always, and that's it. This bandage is a type of first aid. Bandage is to cover and protect injuries on the chest. Cravat for head or ear. First is you fold your bandage like this and locate where the injury is and put it there to immobilize the injury.